Welcome again, Military Guna TV. Thank you for being here with me today. Arsenal versus Manchester United, Manchester United versus Arsenal, and fair enough, it was a really good match, very entertaining. Game finished 0-0, 0-0. I really wanted that win. I really wanted that win, but we didn't get it, and we cannot let it be a case in which because we didn't get the win, we actually let that stop our season. All right, so we didn't get the win, but I really wanted that win because I wanted it to give it to some people. I wanted to give it to some people, but well, it was a good game. Very entertaining game. A game of, I would say, two halves. Both teams have their periods in which they dominated the game. Some in the first half, Arsenal dominated. Some in the second half, Arsenal dominated. Some clear-cut chances created and our players not putting them away. Cavani threw away a few chances as well. Willian threw away a few chances. Pepe had a few good attempts at goal that went just wide. It's not one of those games that it finished 0-0 and the game just finished it's like dead, basically dead. It was entertaining, end to end, basically. I love the intensity. I really love the intensity. What else? Fan base getting at Mikel Arteta again for Willian, but he did came on and he did provide some stability as well. Cannot kill him for that. He had a fairly good game. I won't be that critique in which I cannot see when he has done something acceptable. Another injury, Martinelli out again. I'm not sure how long he will be out for. Saka, Tierney, Aubameyang, three players that weren't absent, and I can say that is the reason why Manchester United got off the leash today, because our three main man was absent. Three of them absent at one time. So Manchester United, you did get away with it. We are now 8th on the table, just 1 point in front of Chelsea. I wonder if Burnley can do us a favour tomorrow and get the job done. We're only 2 points behind Everton and 2 points behind Tottenham Hotspurs as well. 4 points behind West Ham and 9 points behind. No, we're still 10 points behind Manchester United. So 13 points behind Manchester City. We're still in the mix, not far away. That is the reason why I wanted the win, just to ease some pressure off our back. But it's okay. Man of the match, between David Luiz and Nicolas Pepe. They had a very good performance. Solid performance from Cedric Suarez at left back. Okay performance from Hector Bellerin. So, midfield, Thomas Partey had a very hissy game. Ups and downs. Normally we have seen him a bit more solid than that, but we have seen too many missed passes from Thomas Partey, out of possession, caught in possession a few times. Typically, not the best performance from him, but we have seen when he's on it, he's definitely on it. Good performance from Smith Rowe. The physicality was a bit above him, but he really held his own. Solid performance by David Luiz, teammate, next partner next to him, Rob Holding. Great saves by great saves by Burnley as usual. He saved that one from Fred and kept us in the game. So it was a solid game. Cannot complain. Martin Odegaard got his debut. 10 minutes wasn't much, but for someone who haven't played in such a long while, we have to commend him for that. So he had a fairly good debut. Didn't get to do much. I saw that he really wanted to get something out of the game, but we didn't get much from him because of the time span. But we're okay with that. We don't know his physical capability and the reason why Mikel Arteta didn't put him on a bit earlier, but we're okay with that. So, good debut, and we hope to see him in the next games coming soon. So, no problem with that in my perspective. We didn't capitalize on our chances, clear-cut chances by Willian. Clear-cut chance by Willian, and he didn't take it. But we cannot complain. Guess what? We move on to the next game. Hopefully, we can get something from that and move up the table. Or unbeaten run as is continuing. and we still get a point. We still get something from the game. But until next time, man of the match, as I said, David Luiz. I'll give it to David Luiz, even though Nicolas Pepe, he was hot and cold. But so I'll give it David Luiz. Consistency. So thank you very much for tuning in. Military Guna TV. Before you go, drop a like, ensure you subscribe. This has been a good one, good game in my perspective. Guess what? I am out.